The Supreme Court has, over the past years, especially under the Akufo-Addo administration, behaved in a manner as if it is a supranational, supra-constitutional body that can interfere in every act of parliament. Passenger Markin's writ did not show any legal cause for interpretation. All it showed was the consequences of the act of 12 members of parliament, that they will be deprived of their membership and so on and so on. Those are not legal matters. They are the consequences of their actions under a constitutional provision that is as clear, does not require interpretation. The Supreme Court, can it tell us how come a purely political issue get the garb of constitutional issue for interpretation? Interpretation against who? The Speaker applied the law as it is stated in Article 97(1)(gh). Automatic application. The consequences you face is the result of the constitutional provision, not the Speaker's ruling. So why is the Supreme Court acting as a fit columnist for the MPP party? Every matter that the MPP loses in Parliament, it quickly goes to the Supreme Court because it knows that it's a packed court where decisions will be in its favor. This is not the route to the proper democratic governance of our country.
Is that a fair comment?
Yes, it is a fair comment. Because the facts are clear. Is it a fact that these 4 MPs have breached Article 97(1)(gh)? Yes.
The court is yet to decide that.
That is not an interpretive matter. You only interpret where there is a dispute, where there's ambiguity. The Constitution itself makes it clear. So what are you going to interpret? Are you going to interpret when the effects of that provision should take effect? Or are you going to interpret on the basis that their interests are hurt? They should have known that their interests will be hurt. It's a question of their right to be presented. Go to the High Court.